girl Coco, and we are back with another video. As you could tell by the title below, we are doing a cozy movie night. I know what you're thinking. You wanted Nightmare Before Christmas. Fit. We're not watching Nightmare Before Christmas. We are watching The Haunted Mansion, the new one. It just dropped on Disney Plus today. So today I'm thinking we're gonna do like a little caramel apple cream cheese snack, okay? And then I'm gonna make some hot chocolate and we're gonna pop some popcorn and maybe bake the cookies. Do all the things with all the things, okay? And I just felt like I wanted to be festive and I wasn't about to go buy a spooky pajama when I have a spooky pajama. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, if this is what you're interested in, continue watching this video. If not, go check out some of my other videos. I do have some decorate with me's. I have some cook with me's. I got some gardenings. I got all kinds of things you are probably looking for. Just go down to my playlist and I'll have some marked up at the top right here. And let's just get right into it. Alright guys, so first things first, I had to take a shower. I had just got off of work and it was such a rainy, gloomy day. So I just kind of got myself together and then it gave baby boy a bath. Now he wasn't really feeling too good, so I kind of just turned his nightlight on, gave him some sleeping spray in his room, sprayed that around on his clothes and everything once he got out the bath, and he went straight to sleep. And I went straight to the kitchen, okay? You guys, I've had these Nightmare Before Christmas socks since July, so I was super excited to put these on. If you don't know, I'm a big fan. My whole house was decorated in Nightmare Before Christmas. I'll link that up at the top. But first, we got to get our popcorn popping. So I just put some butter in the pot, let that melt around and swish it around so it can get all even at the bottom of the pot. And then I put about 2 scoops of popcorn kernels. If you're not popping your own popcorn, what is you doing, okay? Because them popcorn bags is not it, okay? They're not even hitting like that. This freshly popped popcorn, the old school way, if it's not broke, don't fix it, okay? So just do it this way and thank me later. If you want it to be more kettle corny, just add some sugar at this point and you'll have some nice sweet popcorn, okay? So then my man was like, I want some hot cocoa. So you know what the best thing I could do is make us some hot cocoa. So I go ahead and put about 4 cups of milk. You can use whatever kind of milk you got, almond milk, cashew milk, goat's milk, whatever you want to do, use that. But yeah, the popcorn started popping and I realized this ain't the lid for this pot. So I had to kind of hold it and get it situated. So once I got that done, I'm focusing on the hot chocolate. If you're not drinking the abuelita, what is you doing? Okay? ¿Qué pasó? ¿Dónde está? Okay? Where have you been? Where have you been? So I put a little cinnamon, nutmeg, whatever else you want to put. If you want to put vanilla extract, you can, but that's just doing too much for me. But it's just my little 1-2, okay? And watch over it. Because if you leave for 2 seconds, it's gonna boil over, and I left for 2 seconds. So just stand there and mix it. Stand there and look cute, you know. Vibe out to some spooky music. I surely was. also want to take the time in this video to point out you don't have to go to Target or Walmart or any places and get a bunch of tons of snacks. You can go to Target and get a big thing of popcorn, like the kernels, and that will last you a good minute. Even if you don't do movie night every night, you'll have it in there, and it's also a good healthy snack to just have in the house. And then hot chocolate, have that all year round. I don't care if it's hot outside. You can make a frosted hot chocolate, okay, and it'll be so good. And if you want the fall vibes, go ahead, add you some pumpkin spice seasoning. Some of these things are expensive now, but if you, rather than you going to get the pre-made popcorn, and that alone I believe is like $6, versus you having a bunch of kernels and able to manage your intake, you do that. I just wanted to point that out there, okay? And I'm gonna show you a little treat to do, but it's only right to do the dang cookies, okay? It's only right. You gotta do it one time if you're gonna do it, just one time. You got 30 days to do it, you know what I'm saying? So you get you some chocolate chip cookies. I actually have a chocolate chip cookie dough recipe. I'll put that at the top that I homemade made, but I just really didn't feel like making another batch because I was giving them out to people in my family. So I just went ahead and got some pre-made. So I popped those in the oven first and then took them out about halfway and then put these pumpkin sugar cookies on top to just get the vibes. You already know. Y'all know the vibes. And I know y'all saw me struggling. Don't, let's just not mention it in the comments below. But yeah, I was feeling the vibes. As soon as I put these cookies in, I see my socks, I was feeling the vibes. So I got this plate from Target. It was like $3. And I got this from Walmart. It was like 97 cents. It says $3 on there, but I got it for 97 cents. And it comes with the little picky things. So we're going to start with our caramel. It's just the Smuckers. Y'all see it. And you're gonna need some cream cheese, okay? Simple. Get the Great Value brand. Just do it. It's not that deep. Go ahead and put your caramel in a little dish or a microwave safe dish, however much you want to use. It wasn't that, it was literally 3 people. So it didn't need to be that much. But when I tell y'all this was the star, okay? So I just put a little bit in there and then I popped it in the microwave for 30-second increments, just so it can get really liquidy and hot and warm and gooey. And that's me. Hey y'all, hey. So while that's in the microwave, we're gonna go ahead and wash off our apples. I highly recommend getting a variety of apples, just like you would make like an apple pie or anything. It just gives different flavors, a little sour, sweet type of deal. So I have like a Granny Smith, I believe, and then like a Yukon Gold. I don't know. Don't quote me. I do not know. I think I just quoted a potato. I'm new to this, not true to this, but I will be true, okay? So I got this cool little apple slicer, so I don't got to sit there and chop up all these apples. So shout out to Mama Coco, because this was it, okay? So you just hit it like boom. Well, it wasn't that, I had to put some little elbow grease in there, There you go. So I continue to do that with all my apples. I used about 4 apples, I think 4 or 5. However many you want to use. And then I took my cream cheese. I think that's about 1/3 cup. Y'all see in a bit. Yeah, so I laid out all my apples and then got my little container. And the reason why I didn't put the caramel in this container is because you want the cream cheese to go in first. Now you can heat up the cream cheese and mix it in with the caramel if that's your cup of tea, but just like this. It was so good. So I put the cream cheese in, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put that hot caramel sauce on top of it, and it was the perfect like hot, cold, crunchy type of deal. Now if you want to elevate it and go crazy, put some chocolate chips, put some peanuts, put some Heath bars or some toffee in it, you know, whatever you want to do. Whatever you want to do. For me, this is what I had, and so this is what I'm going to use. I'm going to keep saying that because y'all be trying to do too much on the internet. I'm going to just show y'all what I got. It's cool to get things here and there, but I ain't going to elevate it that much. Y'all know what y'all can do. Add M&Ms. Do, you know, run with your imagination, okay? This was so cute. It came out exactly like how it was supposed to in my head. Now, was I taking long? You could tell because the apples was going crazy, but that's besides the point. We're gonna walk over to the living room and get this started. Okay, so we're watching The Haunted Mansion tonight. I'm so excited. I already saw this in theaters, but that's not the point. That's not the point. It's here in my household. It's just so much better. So it was just as funny as I thought it was the first time. I was very tickled by it. Very much a Disney adult at heart. But yeah, this was everything, okay? So then I started laying everything out on our little table that we had here, and putting these popcorn buckets, y'all, were so big. I was not expecting them to be that big from Dollar Tree. But anyways, I lit the candles and started playing the movie. It was so relaxing, such a vibe. So I encourage you to have your spooky movie night for whatever movie you want to have. You guys let me know what y'all want to see next in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.